Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Shopee Shop app, right? So just go to the Shop app here. Once I open the Shop app here, it's very easy to cancel order. First of all, I'll just show you how to do it. For example, if you just order this product, so for example, I go here and just place order here. By the way, to see all your orders here, or tap on the bottom right side corner, right? And here on the top right, you will see order tracking source, right? So in this way, you will able to see all the if you have connected, Amazon or something, then it will show here. By the way, this is where it will show you all the products and everything. So just click on add order and it will show all the orders, and just click on the order, and then you will able to cancel the order how you do it over the Amazon or everywhere, right? So it's pretty easy to do it. It's not very a big deal, but yeah, this is how you can just cancel it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, then like this video, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Take care.